This is a classic case over here where we have the distance between a premolar here, I'm sorry, canine here and a molar. How do we measure the distance from here to here? So we can turn around and try to use a probe, but the probe has a limited distance. So I can measure 10 and guesstimate here about 16 millimeters. Or I can use the fancy instrument over here that I'm showing you, which each line is 1 millimeter until you get to the wide line. Then it's 5 and 6. So every wide line is 5 millimeters. So if I put this right against the tooth here and come over here, 17 millimeters. 5, 10, 15, 1, 2, 17. To the naked eye, I don't have to worry about anything. This is the keyhole slot. We call this the keyhole slot because the distance from here to here is 10 millimeters. Why do I have that? So that we can use this for a quick measurement of the implants. I'm sorry, of the drills. So if we have a step drill here and we don't know what size this step drill is, we put it right here against right away and we know it's a 10 millimeter implant. I mean drill, step drill, okay? Or 11.5. 11.5. So that's how we can determine that. It's pretty simple. So this is the instrument you're going to be using for everything. This is what I use for reflection, measurement, all that. It replaced my probe for surgery. Thanks a lot, guys.